Exercise number 1.5. Part 2. Okay, already we saw that three sums we know that completed. Now we are going to start question number 4. Okay, verify verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C using Venn diagrams. Okay, so we should check the condition using Venn diagram. Okay, so first we should find the B intersection C. Okay, so give the name A, B, C. Okay, so intersection means the common parts. Okay, so for B set and C set, this is the common part. Okay, so you have to share this part. This is your B intersection C. For each diagram you have to mention the name of the set and what you are finding. That also you should write in the under the diagram. Okay, so next one, this is the diagram 1. Okay, so give the name number. Okay, then second one we are going to find A union B intersection C. So A, B, C. Okay, so B intersection C you have to join with the A set. Okay, so A union means you have to combine together. Okay, so A set join to B intersection C. So we know that B intersection C is the spot. Okay, this is B intersection C. The spot you have to join with A set. Okay, so that means you should share with fully A circle also. Okay, for shading you can use the scale and pencil. Okay, so this is your second diagram, A union B intersection C. Okay, so next we are going to find A union B. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, A union B, that means you have to join together A set and B set. Okay, so this is your A union B. Okay, this is your third diagram. Then fourth one, next one you have to find A union C. Okay, this is your fourth diagram. This is A, B and C. Okay, so A union C means A circle and C circle you have to share. Okay, this is your A union C. Then next what do you want to find? See the right hand side, A union B intersection A union C. That means for the third diagram and fourth diagram you have to find the common parts. Okay, A, B, C. Okay. So what do you want to find? A union B intersection A union C. So you have to find the common shaded region for the third one and the fourth one. Okay. See the diagram. What are the common parts? That B intersection C part is shaded in the both diagrams. Okay. Then in the A part also shaded. Okay. So you have to join, you have to draw that A shaded region, A part, okay, and that intersection part. Okay. That A circle fully. Okay. That A circle fully and okay. So this is your fifth diagram. See the second diagram and the fifth diagram. Okay. That both diagrams also equal. Okay. So from 2 and 5 we get A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Okay. Then hence proved. Okay. Next, question number 5. So A is equal to B, C, E, G, H. Okay. Then B is equal to A, C, D, G, I. Okay. Then C is equal to A, B, A, D. C is equal to A, D, E, G, H. Okay. We show that A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. This one we want to check. Okay. So first we know that we are taking first one LHS, that is in left hand side. Left hand side it is given A difference B intersection C. Okay. So first we have to find what is given in the brackets. So you can take B intersection C. So first we should find B intersection C. We know that intersection means the common elements of B and C. See the B set and C set. What are the common elements? A is common, then D is common and G. Okay. So that means B intersection C is equal to A, D and G. Okay. This is the common element of B intersection C. Okay. The next one you have to find A difference B intersection C. A difference B intersection C. So A difference means first you should write the A set. A set is B, C, E, G, H. Okay. From this you have to omit the elements of A, D, G. Okay. So A is not there and D also not there and G is there. Okay. So you can omit the G set, G element. Okay. So what is the remaining? B, C, E and H. So you have to write only the A set because in difference, what is the set in the first one, that only you have to write. Okay, so that means B, C, E, H is the remaining elements. So this is your equation number 1. Okay, don't consider the second set. Okay, then next one, right hand side is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay, so you have to find first A difference B. A difference B. So A set is B, C, E, G, H. Difference B set. B set is A, C, D, G, I. Okay. So common elements you have to omit C and G. Okay. So what are the remaining elements of A set? B, E, H. Okay. Then next you have to find A difference C. A difference C. So A set is B, C, E, G, H. Okay. Difference C set is A, D, E, G, H. Okay. So common elements you have to eliminate. That is E is common. Okay. Then G, H also common. So what is the remaining element of A set? B and C. This is your A difference C. So what we want to find next? A difference B union A difference C. That means you have to join the sets of A difference B and A difference C. Okay. So what are the elements? If you join, you will get B, C, E, H. Okay. This is your equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, we get A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay. So your fifth sum over. Then next question number 6. Okay. What is given? If A is equal to x such that x is equal to 6n, n belongs to W and n less than 6. Okay. So n belongs to W. W means whole numbers. Whole numbers started from 0. Okay. So what are the n possibilities? So n the n values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So these are the n values, possibility of n values. Okay. So you have to check, you have to apply the n values in the x set. Okay. So x is equal to 6n. So what do you get? A is equal to, if you apply for n is equal to 0, you will get 6 into 0, 0. Okay. Then 1 means 6 into 1, 6. Then 12, 18, 24, then 30. These are the possibility values of set A. Okay. Then next one, B is equal to x such that x is equal to 2n, x is equal to 2n, n belongs to capital N and 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. Okay. N values 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. So n belongs to n, natural numbers. Natural number started from 1, but the given condition is 2 less than n. So 2 is not included because only less than is given, not less than or equal to. So you can started from 3. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because 9 also included here, less than or equal to. Okay, so these are the possibility n values. Okay, so you can find the B set. So you want to find the B set means the given condition is x is equal to 2n. So you have to apply the n values in x. Okay. So x is equal to 2n means what do you get? It started from 3 no. So 2 into 3, 6. Then 2 into 4, 8. Then 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Okay. So all the n values you have to apply in x. Okay. So you will get B. Then next one, C set. C is equal to x such that x is equal to 3n and n belongs to capital N and condition 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. Okay. So possibilities of n values are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9. 10 is not included. Okay. So then you have to find the set C. You can apply the n values in x. Okay. So x is equal to 3n. So each n value you have to multiply with 3. So what do you get? 3 4s are 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. Okay. This first you should find the set values, numbers. Okay. Then you have to check the condition. What we want to show that? A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay. So RHS you can take that. Sorry, LHS. LHS equal to A difference B intersection C. So first we should know that we have to find B intersection C. Okay. So intersection means common elements. Common elements of the set B and C. So B set we know that 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and C set 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. So what are the common elements of B and C? So that is 12 and 18. Okay. So next we have to find A difference B intersection C. That means first you should take A set. A set is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Okay. From this you have to eliminate the set elements 12 and 18. So 12 also is there, 18 also is there. Okay. So you can eliminate. So what are the remaining elements of A set? 0, 6, 24 and 30. This is your equation number 1. Okay. So next you have to find RHS. RHS equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay. In this first you have to find A difference B. That is equal to A set is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. From this you have to subtract B set. B set is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Okay. So what are the common elements? 6, 12, 18. Okay, so 6, 12, 18. Okay, so what are the remaining elements of A set? That is equal to 0, 24 and 30. Next we have to find A difference C. So A set is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Okay, from this you have to subtract the C set. C set is what? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Okay, so common elements are 12, 18, then 24. Okay, so what are the remaining elements of A set? 0, 6, 30. Okay, so next we have to find A difference B union A difference C. Okay, that is equal to, you have to combine the sets of A difference B and A difference C. Okay, so what do you get? 0, 6, 24 and 30. Okay, this is your equation number 2. Okay, see the equation number 1, 0, 6, 24, 30. Okay, for here also 0, 6, 24, 30. If the right hand sides are equal, left hand side also equal. So from 1 and 2 we get A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay, this sum over. Okay, then question number 7. Question number 7. Okay, if A is equal to -2, 0, 1, 3, 5. Okay, then B is equal to -1, 0, 2, 5, 6. C is equal to -1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so the same problem. Okay, same way you have to find A difference B union C. A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay, then LHS equal to A difference B union C. So first you have to find B union C. Union means you have to combine the sets B and C. So what do you get? If you join the B set and C set, you will get -1, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then next one, A difference B union C. So what is your A set? -2, 0, 1, 3, 5. Okay. From this you have to eliminate. Eliminate B union C. That means -1, 0, 2, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So what are the common elements? 0, then 5. Okay. So the remaining elements are -2, 1, 3. This is your equation number 1. Next, right hand side. A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay. A difference B is equal to your A set is -2, 0, 1, 3, 5. Okay. Difference B set is -1, 0, 2, 5, 6. Okay. So eliminate the common elements 0, then 5. Okay. So what are the remaining elements of A set? -2, 1, 3. Okay. Then next you have to find A difference C. So the A set is -2, 0, 1, 3, 5. Difference C set. C set is -1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So the common elements are 5. That's all. Okay. So what is the remaining elements of A set? -2, 0, 1, 3. Okay. So next you have to find A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay. So that is equal to the common elements of A difference B and A difference C. What are the common elements? -2, 1, 3. Okay. This is equation number 2. See the equation first one. -2, 1, 3. For this also -2, 1, 3. Okay. So from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get, if the right hand sides are equal, left hand side also equal. Okay. So A difference B union C equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay. Hence proved. Next question. Question number 8. A is equal to, if A is equal to Y such that Y is equal to A plus 1 by 2, comma, A belongs to W and A less than or equal to 5. Okay. So A values belongs to W. So A started from 0. So A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So these are the possibilities values of A. Okay. This A values you have to apply in Y. What do you get? If A is equal to 0 means 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 by 2. So A is equal to 1 by 2. Each A values you have to apply in Y. Okay. So if you apply 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 by 2. So if you apply 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by 2 means it will be cancelled. So you will be get 1. Okay. So like this you have to find. So you will get 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. Okay. This is the set of elements of A. Okay. Then second one. B is equal to Y such that Y is equal to 2n minus 1 by 2, n belongs to W, n belongs to W, n belongs to W, and the values are n less than 5, n less than 5. So W means whole numbers. It started from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all the n values you have to apply in Y. So what do you get? B is equal to, if you apply 0, 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 1 means minus 1 you will get. So minus 1 by 2. Okay. Then if you apply 1, 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 1. See, if you apply 1, that is 2 minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2. Like this you have to find. Okay. So that means you will get 1 by 2. Then like this you have to find. Then 3 by 2. 5 by 2, then 7 by 2. These are the values of B set. Then like this you have to find for C. C is already given, so no need to find anything. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, then 1, 3 by 2, comma 2. Okay. So what we want to show that A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay. First you have to find B union C. That LHS is A difference B union C. Okay. So next you have to find B union C. So union means combine together. So what do you get? The numbers are here complicated, so just you have to write in the, you can write carefully. Okay. So minus 1 by 2, minus 1, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, and 7 by 2. Okay. Next you have to find A difference B union C. Okay. In the A set, what is the A set? 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, comma 3. Okay. In this you have to eliminate the B union C. B union C is minus 1 by 2, minus 1, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, and 7 by 2. Okay. Carefully you have to write because so many elements are there. 1 by 2, common elements you have to eliminate. 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. Okay. So the remaining elements of A is only 3. This is your equation number 1. Okay. Next you have to find A difference B. A difference B. Okay. A set is 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3. Okay. Difference B set. B set is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, and 7 by 2. Okay. So what are the common elements? 1 by 2, 3 by 2, then 5 by 2. Okay. So what are the remaining elements? The remaining elements of A is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then next you can find A difference C. So your A set is 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, and 3. Okay. Difference C set. C set is minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, and 2. So you have to eliminate the common elements. What are the common elements? 3 by 2. Okay. Then 1 is the common element. So 1 also eliminate. Then 2 is also common element. Okay. So what are the remaining elements of A? 1 by 2, 5 by 2 and 3. Okay. So next you have to find A difference B intersection A difference C. So you have to find the common elements of the A difference B and A difference C. So you will get common elements, no? So check the A difference B. A difference B is 1, 2, 3 and A difference C is 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 3. So 3 is the only common element. Okay. So this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, see the first equation. First equation also you will get only 3, that is A difference B union C. Then A difference B intersection A difference C also you will get 3. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we get A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay. Hence true. Next is some question number 9. Verify A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay. Using Venn diagrams. Using Venn diagrams you have to check. So we know that first we can take LHS. In LHS first you should find B intersection C. Okay. So you draw the circles. Okay. After the circles first you should give a name. Okay. Most of the students not mentioning the name. It is very important. So A, B, C you have to mention. Now we are going to find first one B intersection C. So what you are finding, that also you have to mention under the diagram. Okay. So B intersection C. Intersection means the common part of B and C. Okay. So this is the common part. This is your B intersection C. Okay. Then next one. Here you are going to find A difference B intersection C. Okay. This is your second diagram. Okay. A difference B intersection C. That means in A circle, okay, in A circle, you have to eliminate the part of B intersection C. Okay. So that means in A circle, this is the only part it's included. Okay. So except this part, you have to share. Okay. Very clear? In A circle, A difference B intersection C means in A circle, except that B intersection C part. In B intersection C, in A circle, this is the only part B intersection C part. Okay. So you can omit that part. Okay. Then next one. In RHS, what we have? A difference B union A difference C. So you have to find A difference B. A, B, C. Okay. We are going to find A difference B. A difference B. That means in A circle you have to eliminate the part of B. Okay. So except B you have to draw. C will come, no problem. Only the B circle should not be there. Okay. So that means in A circle except B you have to share. Very clear? A difference B means you can compare only A set and B set. C set is no problem. Okay. So only in A and B, in A set you have to eliminate the B set part. Okay. So this is your A difference B. Then next one, A difference C. So like this you have to find A difference C. Okay. So A, B, C. Okay. A difference C. So the same way you have to draw. In A circle you have to eliminate the set of C. That means C set is not included here. Okay. So here B will come, no problem. Okay. Here C set is not included. Okay. The next one. So you have to draw that. A difference B union A difference C. Okay. So you have to join the sets of third diagram and the fourth diagram. You have to join that. Okay. What are the shaded parts are there? You have to draw in this diagram. Okay. So that is A, B, C. Okay. So this part is included. Okay. Then first we can draw the third diagram. Third diagram is, in third diagram this part is shaded. Okay. In fourth diagram this part also shaded. Okay. So like this, here also shaded. Okay. So in this except this part you have to shade. Okay. So see the diagram second diagram is equal to diagram 5. Okay. So this is your fifth diagram. So from 2 and 5 we get the diagrams are equal, no? So you have to write A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay. Hence proved. Then question number 10. If U is equal to, that is universal set 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15 and 16. Okay. Then A is equal to 7, 8, 11, 12. Then B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 15. Okay. So then verify De Morgan's laws for complementation. Already we know that the complementations properties. Okay. So what we want to check? De Morgan's laws for complementation. Okay. De Morgan's laws for complementation. In this we have two subdivisions. First one is A union B. A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Then second one, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay. So these two conditions you have to check. Okay. First one we are going to check A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. So for complementation you have to compare with the universal set. Okay. So A union B whole dash means universal set difference A union B. Okay. So for this first we have to find A union B. A union B. So combine the sets A and B. So what do you get? 4, 7, 8, 11, 12 and 15. Okay. So A union B whole dash. Whole dash means you have to compare with the universal set. So universal set is what? 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. Okay. From this you have to omit the set of A union B, that is 4, 7, 8, 11, 12 and 15. Okay. So complementation you have to eliminate from universal set. Okay. So what are the common elements? 4, 7, 8, then 11, 12 and 15. Okay. So what are the remaining elements of the first set? Okay. What are the remaining elements? 10 and 16. Okay. This is equation number 1. Okay. Then next right hand side A dash. A dash means from the universal set you have to eliminate the set A. So in universal set 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15 and 16. The A set is 7, 8, 11 and 12. Okay. Common elements are 7, 8, 11, 12. Okay. So what are the remaining elements of the first set? 4, 10, 15 and 16. Okay. This is our A dash. Like this you have to find for B dash also. Okay. Universal set difference B. So you will get for B dash 7, 10, 11 and 16. Okay. This is your B dash. If you have, if you have any doubt, you can check it. Okay. Then you have to find A dash intersection B dash. So A dash and B dash, what are the common elements? 10 and 16. Okay. This is your equation number 2. So in first equation also we will get the same set of elements 10 and 16, and here also 10 and 16. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we get A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay. Then second one, another property, you have to check A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay. So A intersection B, you have to check A intersection B, that means common elements of A set and B set. So what are the common elements of A set and B set? 8 and 12. Okay. 8 and 12. In A set, A set 7, 8, 11, 12. Here B set 4, 8, 12, 15. Okay. So the common elements are 8 and 12. So this is your A intersection B. Then A intersection B, A intersection B whole dash is equal to, from the universal set you have to eliminate the set A intersection B. So in universal set what do you get? 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15 and 16. Okay, that A intersection B is 8 and 12. Okay, so you can eliminate the 8 and 12 elements. So what do you get remaining in the first set? 4, 7, 10, 11, 15 and 16. Okay, this is your equation number 3. Okay, then right hand side already A dash, we know that A dash is equal to 4. In the first subdivision we found A dash values. Okay, so directly you can take it, no need to find again. Okay, 4, 10, 15, 16. This is your A dash, and your B dash is equal to 7, 10, 11 and 16. Okay, then you have to find A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. That means you have to join the two sets. What do you get? 4, 7, 10, 11, 15 and 16. Okay, this is your equation number 4. Okay, from 3 and 4 we get A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, next one, question number 11. Verify A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash using Venn diagrams. Okay, so complementation K means you have to use the rectangle. Okay, for complementation you can use the rectangle. This is your universal set. Okay, so first you can find A intersection B. So this is your A set and B set. This is your A intersection B. Okay, A intersection B means common part. So this is your common part. Okay, then this is your first diagram. Next, A intersection B whole dash. That means in the universal set, except this part, A intersection B part, except this part you have to share. Okay, this is your second diagram. Okay, then next one, right hand side, diagram number 3, A dash. A dash means except A. In universal set, except A you have to share. Okay, this is your A dash. Then next one, like this you have to find for B dash. Except B is called B dash. Okay, so except B circle you have to share. Next one, you have to check the union part of A dash union B dash. That means you have to find the union of the third diagram and the fourth diagram. Okay. So except the intersection part you will get. Okay. Except this universal part you will get all the shadowed region. Okay. So from 2 and 5 we get A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, hence proof. Thank you, students.